Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back. For this video, it's going to be real short. It's just the passes of my dad's car from a couple weeks ago when we were on the street. This is his part of the video. Making a little bit of progress on this video. He didn't bring his laptop. So really the only changes I think he made was like launch stuff, RPM and boost off the little screen, the little 5-inch screen. And then I think the max boost is like 19 or 20 pounds, something in that range. And it's a pretty long ramp, so just a nice, easy, steady pass. So before I play the clips, I just want to throw it out there that I do have shirts back. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, message me, give me your size, your name, and your address, and I'll get it out to you as soon as I can. The design turned out great from Dylan at DRD Visuals. Love it, and going to be working with him in the future for some other things. So if you want a shirt, it's a short sleeve, next gen, real nice, tight fitting, comfortable, high quality shirt. Message me on Instagram or Facebook and I will get them out to you as soon as I can. But let's get to the video of some racing action. You have all the shocks pretty much the same?
Yeah, they're everything the same. I got half-pound air out.
Are you able to see how much boost it's making on your gauge?
Well, I don't really look.
Yeah, just when it feels right.
I'll log it on this.
Oh yeah, you can log it on there, yeah, just to have it. Feels like the track. Come up. You're good. Let off. It was spinning, but I think it was a good spin. You probably didn't need to let off. Did you adjust the front shocks?
Yeah.
Okay. good pass. That was a good pass.
It set it out like it's a slip.
Yeah, that's how it should. You just click eighth or whatever you want. I know that was a good pass.
663,
What was it, 60 foot and all?
167 and 441.
Huh, it looked like it'd be faster.
663 at 110. It felt faster than that.
Yeah, it definitely looked way better. It still had a little spin, but...
Yeah, it's to me, it sounded like it was spinning all the way through, but...
Yeah, it was spinning. It might just been a little bit too much. How'd it look? How'd it look? So overall, the Trans Am's running pretty good. I'm just happy to see he's back out there making passes, because for a while, I know he was getting discouraged with it. I mean, I would too, with all the issues it was having. But I think he's getting a handle on it. He knows what he needs to do with the suspension to get it a little bit better. And maybe next video, or next time you see the car on a video, it'll be at the track. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Grab some shirts, and I will see you guys next week.